बजयंत ओरफ जय पंडा आज पुणी गोटे विवाद घर में फसी जाइछन्ति एवं अतुल गुलेरिया गोटे जनस्वार्थ मामला दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट रे दायर करथिले। से अभियोग करथिले जे अनेक फिनान्शियली इरेगुलारिटीज जय पंडा एवं तांकर परिचालितधीन कंपानी रे होइछि। जानिबा को चाहिबा निर्दिष्ट भाव में अतुल गुलेरिया आम सहित अछन्ति जे पीआईएल बा जनस्वार्थ मामला दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट रे करथिले। कौन अभियोग रही जय पंडा खिलाफ रे? अतुल जी स्वागत करता हूँ नंदीघोष टीवी में। What your specific allegations against the Jay Panda regarding on the financial irregularities?
See, I have already disclosed it during the press conference, but in short, certain companies originating in the Bahamas, they are fictitiously registered on the same address, and on the same address around 300 more companies are registered worldwide, and these fictitious companies make investments amounting to crores of rupees into Indian entities, and those Indian entities again end up investing the monies in the companies which are ultimately owned and controlled by Mr. Bijen J. Panda and his wife. So these are the fictitious companies which originated with an authorized share capital of only $5,000, and from where they managed to get these crores of rupees, and what is the purpose of this investment in Indian entities. And after making these investments, these companies simply vanish into the wind. They have been wound up. There is no trail of who was managing these companies, but ultimately the money landed in the companies which is owned by Mr. Panda. That is the, I've said so in my writ petition also.
What is your object of this press conference, and do you have any order from High Court for the investigations against Jay Panda?
Yes, the Honorable High Court was pleased to direct investigation.
When?
On 7th of February 2020. It's been 8 months, and it is with this object we had filed the petition that, you know, these fictitious transactions need to be investigated, whatever may be the result of it, but investigation is a must. And despite the directions from Honorable High Court, nothing has happened, nothing has moved. And through this through this press conference, we again wish to approach the authorities so that our voice may be heard and they act on it.
Do you have any plan that you will move further to the High Court because the investigations didn't proceed?
We may move to the Honorable High Court.
देखिले गोटे बड़ धरणर अर्थनैतिक अपराधर अभियोग आनिछंती एडवोकेट बा आईनजीवी गुलेरिया दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट रे जनस्वार्थ मामला दायर करी हेले 7-8 मास बीतीगला परे मध्य हाईकोर्ट एई अर्थनैतिक अपराधर तदंत निर्देश दे सारिबा परे किंतु तदंतर अग्रगति होई नाही। एहा पछर रहस्य कोन ताहा समस्त को संदेह रखी। नुआदिल्ली कैमरामैन प्रदीप सहित विभूति पति रिपोर्ट नंदीघोष टीवी।